Most professionals start Monday already behind, reacting to whatever hits first. No clear priorities, no plan. I spend 20 minutes with Claude every Monday morning. I haven't missed a deadline or a priority shift in 6 months. This is the exact system. The real productivity killer isn't the amount of work, it's starting the week without clarity. Decision fatigue sets in by Tuesday when Monday had no structure. Priorities get set by whoever was loudest, not by what actually matters. The week slips by, and on Friday you realize you moved fast but moved in the wrong direction. Claude doesn't manage your calendar. What it does is help you think clearly before the noise starts. That's the whole game. Start every Monday by dumping everything into Claude: tasks, meetings, obligations, open loops, everything you're carrying into the week. Then ask, given these constraints, what are my three most important outcomes this week? Not the most urgent, the most important. Claude will push back on the right things. It'll spot dependencies you missed. It'll flag when you're overloaded before you've made a single commitment. That Monday brain dump takes about 4 minutes. What comes back is a week with actual structure. When you're stuck on a decision, a hire, a proposal, a strategic choice, talking yourself in circles is the default. You end up either overthinking or defaulting to gut feeling without examining it. Claude is the best thinking partner you'll never have to schedule. Tell it the decision, the context, and what you're leaning toward. Ask it to play devil's advocate. Ask it what you're probably missing. Ask it what a smart person who disagrees with you would say. You don't have to take the advice, you just have to think better because of the conversation. Most of the time, the right answer surfaces in under 5 minutes. Your most important meeting of the week, whether that's a board presentation, a difficult one on one, or a sales call, deserves more than 3 minutes of prep while you're walking to the conference room. Tell Claude the meeting type, the stakeholders, what you want to achieve, and any tensions or complications you're aware of. Ask it to help you prepare the key points, anticipate objections, and think through what success looks like in the room. The quality of your preparation directly determines the quality of your outcome. 5 minutes of structured Claude prep beats 30 minutes of anxious note scanning every time. Friday afternoon before you close your laptop, 10 minutes with Claude to close the week properly. Tell it what happened: wins, misses, surprises, decisions made. Ask it to help you extract one or two real lessons. Ask it what you do differently and what you should carry into next week as a non negotiable. Most people skip this. That's why they make the same mistakes at the same time every quarter. The end of week review is where compounding actually happens. Here's the complete weekly system: Monday morning, priority triage, 4 minutes, three outcomes; decision clarity, as needed, 5 minutes to get unstuck; meeting prep, the night before anything important; Friday review, 10 minutes to close the week clean. Total active time with Claude per week, under 30 minutes. The return on that 30 minutes is a week that actually goes in the direction you want. That's the full Claude weekly workflow: priority triage, decision clarity, meeting prep, and end of week review, all of it in under 30 minutes a week. This channel publishes a new Claude workflow every week. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Weekly planning template in the description below.